Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So we have 8 minus b. This one we need to create a square minus b square to cancel about the square root, but we just have only a minus b. Now we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So this one we simplified and we have 4 plus s minus number 4. So 4 minus 4 we cancel. S divided by s. Now when s approach to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. Number 1 divided by positive infinity, you got number 0. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.